Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0114 indicates an intermittent interruption in the intake air temperature IAT sensor 1 for the Honda Civic models from 2022 onward. This issue is primarily associated with the sensor, which plays a crucial role in measuring the temperature of the air entering the engine, thereby allowing the Engine Control Unit, ECU, to adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion. If there is a significant difference between the voltage output from the IAT sensor and a filtered voltage, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, recognizes this discrepancy and stores the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, for further analysis. The IAT sensor is typically located in the intake manifold or air intake duct and is directly connected to the mass airflow MAF sensor in this vehicle. Identifying the root cause of this issue is essential for maintaining proper engine performance and fuel economy. The IAT sensor, or intake air temperature sensor, is essential for the engine's management system as it measures the temperature of the incoming air. A proper reading helps the Engine Control Unit, ECU, calculate necessary adjustments to the air-fuel mixture, optimally supporting combustion efficiency and engine performance. If the absolute difference between the voltage readings from the IAT sensor and the filtered voltage surpasses specified thresholds, the PCM identifies an abnormal condition and logs the DTC P0114. It is crucial to inspect the sensor for damage or corrosion, particularly at the connector terminals, which can disrupt the sensor's function. The IAT sensor is usually situated near the intake manifold or within the air intake duct, making it easily accessible for visual inspection and testing. Several potential causes could lead to the DTC P0114 being triggered. Firstly, wiring issues such as open or shorted circuits can disrupt electrical signals, leading to faults in data reporting from the IAT sensor. If the wire connected to the sensor is damaged or has a poor connection, it can cause signal fluctuations. Secondly, a faulty IAT sensor itself could be providing inaccurate temperature readings to the PCM. Lastly, corrosion or physical damage at the connector terminals of the IAT or MAF sensor can prevent proper electrical connection, resulting in an intermittent interruption. Each of these causes can affect the performance of the engine, making early diagnosis critical. The symptoms associated with DTC P0114 can severely impact vehicle performance. Drivers may experience poor engine performance due to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustments that stem from erroneous readings from the IAT sensor. This issue can also lead to an illuminated check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential problem that requires immediate attention. Additionally, drivers may notice increased fuel consumption as the engine attempts to compensate for the incorrect air temperature readings, resulting in reduced efficiency. Recognizing these symptoms early can help mitigate further damage to the engine and improve the overall driving experience. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0114 requires turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode. This allows the electrical systems to activate, including the sensors necessary for diagnosing the issue. After ensuring the engine is on, the next action is to examine the IAT and MAF sensor connections for any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Poor connections at these terminals can often be the root cause of the DTC. It's crucial to conduct this inspection before proceeding to further diagnostic steps, as a failed connection can lead to incorrect data readings. Addressing any noted issues here can streamline the troubleshooting process. In the second troubleshooting step, focus shifts to inspecting the MAF or IAT sensor circuit to ensure that it functions correctly. This involves checking the resistance values of the sensor connections and ensuring they fall within the manufacturer's specified range. For normal conditions, resistance should measure less than 1 ohm, indicating a healthy circuit with no interruptions. Any readings that deviate from this standard may signal an issue within the sensor circuit. Confirming these conditions is vital, as they determine the next course of action. If pitfalls or abnormal resistance is found, this may necessitate the replacement of components or further investigation of circuit integrity. During the third troubleshooting step, an open wire inspection is conducted to identify any potential breaks in the wiring connected to the sensor. It's essential to reference the open, shorted wire inspection description provided, as it outlines the method for inspecting the circuit for shorts. For the IAT sensor circuit, specific checks should ensure wires are not accidentally shorted to the ground, which would hinder performance. The recommended threshold for this inspection is more than 1 megaohm for resistance. Anything below this could indicate a fault. Tracing the wiring integrity is necessary to resolve the DTC effectively and restore proper functionality to the IAT sensor. After completing all necessary repairs to address DTC P0114, it's imperative to perform a final verification. Begin by clearing the DTC from the vehicle's diagnostic system to reset the engine control module, ECM. Once this is done, conduct a test drive to gather real-time data and ascertain that the error does not reoccur. Monitoring for any repeated codes during this driving period is essential, as it indicates whether the issue has been resolved. A successful verification means that the vehicle is operating within normal parameters and that the previous fault has been cleared. Always ensure that repairs conducted effectively eliminate the causes of the DTC before declaring the vehicle ready for normal operation. Preventive maintenance is a critical aspect of ensuring long-term reliability for the intake air temperature sensor and associated circuits. Regular inspections of the IAT sensor and its connectors can help identify early signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Additionally, regularly checking the wiring for any signs of fraying, corrosion, or loose connections can prevent future incidents of DTC P0114. It is advisable to schedule periodic servicing of the entire engine system, allowing professionals to conduct thorough evaluations of sensor performance and electrical integrity. Maintaining this preventive approach will enhance the longevity of the vehicle's components and improve performance metrics overall. In conclusion, understanding the significance of the intake air temperature sensor is crucial for maintaining optimal performance in the Honda Civic. The IAT sensor is a key player in managing the air-fuel mixture, affecting both engine efficiency and fuel consumption. Identifying symptoms associated with DTC P0114, such as poor performance and increased fuel use, allows for early intervention. The outlined troubleshooting steps ensure that technicians can conduct a thorough and systematic inspection of the vehicle, leading to effective resolutions. Timely repairs not only resolve the immediate issues, but also contribute to the vehicle's long-term health, making it essential to address any DTC promptly and prevent further complications. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!